Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking with you about the English parts of speech. I'm going to give you a brief summary of the parts of speech in English, which is very important for you to know. But don't forget, you guys, to please like my page and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. So the parts of speech, they consist of nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. We're going to talk about each one of these English parts of speech right now. So let's talk about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, that names a place or thing. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. For example, a boy, a name of somebody like Sam, a cat, or a place like Paris, France. The next one, pronouns. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. For example, he, my, or yourself. Those are pronouns. Well, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a person or thing. Describe a person like, you are pretty, you are very beautiful. This test was very easy. Or, am I fat? Fat is an adjective. The next one, verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word or a group of words that express an action or state, like the word go, jump, be, or think. Adverbs. The next one, adverbs. Adverbs, they are words that describes or gives more information about a verb, or an adjective, or another adverb, or even the entire sentence. Some examples of adverbs are the word quickly. She moves too quickly. Tomorrow I will do my homework. Or outside. Let's go outside. The next English parts of speech. Prepositions. Yes. Prepositions. Prepositions are words that is used before a noun or a pronoun to connect it to another word in a sentence. It is usually used to show a location or direction or time and so forth. Some preposition words we use are the word on, or in, or to, or from, or of. Let me give you a better example. I am going on a trip. Get in the car. Let's go to the supermarket. Where are you coming from? Those are some examples of prepositions. The next one, conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that joins parts of a sentence together. You see those all the time. We use them all the time, like and, or but. Here's an example. I am going to the store and the supermarket. Or I am going to the store and the mall. I'm going to do my homework today, but I'm going to brush my teeth first. Those are some examples of conjunction words. It's using the word and, or but. The last English parts of speech is interjections. Interjections are used all the time in the English words. And interjections are a short sound or a word or a phrase used to express the speaker's emotion. We use them all the time. For example, like, wow, wow, that's something, wow. Or, or well, or oh dear, that's a terrible accident. Or wow, that was awesome. Those are interjections. Those are words, interjection words. It's a short sound, a word, or phrase that's used to express your emotions. So those were the explanations of the English parts of speech. Practice this lesson often so you can understand a little better about the words used in the English parts of speech. Practice this exercise yourself. And also, guys, don't forget to like this page. Very important. I would like you guys to like my lessons if you really like them. And if you don't like them, put a no like sound. It's okay. But hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it is greatly appreciated. Until next time.